In this tutorial, we'll show you how to perform a catchment analysis for the house and villas sector, and how you'll find arranged and exclusive data to help you make informed investment decisions. Let's go to Generate Reports page, and let's generate a new report. We'll pick the house and villas sector and select the Inventory House and Villas type of report. Next, let's draw a catchment area to limit the data to a specific location. Now you'll see all this data properties are sorted into independent villas, government villas, and projects. Independent villas are privately owned homes. These are properties sold by individuals to other individuals. Government villas are properties developed by the government and sold at a lower cost to citizens. Projects are developed by businesses and consist of multiple buildings. Each individual building or unit is sold separately. For each section, you can see neighborhood name, total land area, average land area, number of vacant land, and number of villas. And with that, we can compare the number of vacant land between neighborhoods, for example. Or, if we go to Filters and select all these years and press Apply, we can compare data over the years using this list over here. This is useful if you are buying lots of properties, as it provides insights into whether people are moving into or out of that area, or if people are buying lands or not buying lands. If you hover on the neighborhood name and hit Show on Map, it will navigate accordingly. If you click on the neighborhood name and hit Explore Neighborhood, it will give more details about it. Keep in mind that our project data is unique to a stater, as we extract details from project brochures. This includes information on types of villas, number of bedrooms, land area, and built-up area, giving you exclusive access to comprehensive details about each project. You can do that by selecting the project name and clicking on Show on Map. Then, click on the project name and select Explore Project. Here you have all the data about the project: type, block, land area, built-up area, number of floors, number of bedrooms, and the number of bathrooms. That wraps up today's video. See you in the next one.